Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Today's weather is so good. I'm going out for a meal with a friend. Hot pot, a very unusual flavor. I know one of the China's most famous dishes is hot pot. And you might be familiar with the Beijing hot pot. You know, the copper hot pot with sesame paste as the dipping sauce. I've made a video about before, and the Sichuan hot pot is known for its spicy and numbing flavors. In fact, there are many different types of hot pot with various broths. That's why China's cuisine is so famous and profound, right? They are all hot pot, but the flavors vary across different provinces and cities in China. Today's flavor is very unusual. It's sour and called kind of vinegar hot pot. I heard it is perfect for dipping beef and seafood. So I can't wait to try it. So let's go. Hobson One is the hottest shopping mall in Beijing right now, offering a complete range of food, drinks, entertainment, and leisure. Many of my previous food videos were filmed here, located outside the Third Ring Road in the east. It's definitely in one of the most vibrant areas of Beijing, and it's very close to my home, within walking distance. I've met up with my friend, and we've arrived at the restaurant. Let's order first. Use QR codes for ordering, which is very convenient. See this Chinese character? It means vinegar, 醋, vinegar. This is the broth today. Just seeing this character already makes my mouth water.
面对锅底没有忌口了吧？
没有。
没有啊。
Next, let's make in the dipping sauce by ourselves. Look, there are probably a dozen or so ingredients. The biggest feature here is using small green limes as vinegar because lime is also sour. This hot pot doesn't use sesame paste as a dipping sauce. You know, sesame paste is probably the most famous hot pot dipping sauce. You may have heard of it, and I've filmed it before as well. This hot pot, you need to add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, cilantro, and the small chili peppers. This is Wenchang chicken, a specialty from Hainan. This kind of hot pot is also from Hainan. Hainan is at the southernmost tip of China, a tropical island and a popular vacation destination. You see, in China, even an island has its unique hot pot. Various types of hot pots flow through our veins. This chicken is exceptionally fresh and tender. Definitely not the same as fried chicken. Unlike Beijing hot pot and Sichuan hot pot, this one allows you to drink the broth. It's quite sour with a little bit of spice. Wow, this beef is spectacular, such a large piece. You know, this broth is not typically used for lamb, as it can give off a strange taste. So beef is the best. Look at this beef, paired with the dipping sauce I made myself. Taking a big bite. Wow, oh my gosh. I'm voicing over this video. It makes me so hungry now. This lemon juice is really refreshing, perfect to balance out the richness. This is a shrimp paste, a very classic hot pot dish. The shrimp is minced and turned into a smooth shrimp paste. See, the shrimp paste is ready. Very fresh and tender with a nice chewy texture. My favorite. Guess, what's this? Star fruit. It's really strange to dip fruit in hot pot. This is seaweed. This is also my first time trying it. The texture is similar to kelp, crispy and quite tasty. Next, I'm going to try the main dish, green buns, 包子. Look, it's green. The filling inside isn't meat, it's coconut filling. Of course, coconut is also a specialty of Hainan. Very strange and very dry, and it's obvious I don't like it. I tried hard to get my friend to try it, but she refused. She knew from the start that a bun without meat would be strange. Look at this big shrimp. The plate is beautifully arranged, but there aren't many of them. You know, Hainan is by the sea, so seafood is abundant. This broth is perfect with seafood. Let me try this big shrimp. Yeah, it's just the taste of shrimp. This is called chicken oil rice. I understand it as rice steamed with chicken oil. No, I don't like it. Too greasy. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is my first time trying to shoot a video on my own. I feel like there's still a lot to improve and figure out. Okay, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.